In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payout accounts in Shopify. This is a straightforward process, but ensuring that you have the correct steps down will make it even easier. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by navigating to the Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, you'll see the homepage of your store, but where we want to go today is the Finance section. This area is where you can manage all things related to money for your store, so it's a pretty important place. To get to Finance, simply find the Finance option in the menu and click on it. Now, within the Finance section, you'll find another option labeled Payouts. This is the hub for all your Shopify payouts, allowing you to see past transactions and manage new ones. So go ahead and click on Payouts to open up the list of your current payout accounts as well as past transactions. With the Payouts page open, you'll be able to view any current payout accounts already associated with your store. For our purpose today, we're focusing on adding a new payout account. For this, we need to click on Add Account. It's typically found at the top right corner of the Payouts page. This will bring up a new window where you can enter the details for your new payout account. Now that we are in the section to add a new account, you have to enter the relevant bank account information. It's critical here to double-check that all the details are absolutely correct. The necessary information usually includes account number, routing number, and the name on the account, and each field should be filled out precisely. Any error here can lead to delayed payouts or issues in receiving funds directly from Shopify. Once you've carefully entered all the bank details, go ahead and save your new payout account. Double-check everything again before submitting, as accuracy is crucial for seamless transactions. After saving, Shopify will confirm that the account has been added successfully, and you will see it listed under your payout accounts. That covers everything you need to do to add a payout account in Shopify. By having your payout account set up correctly, you ensure smooth financial transactions and can focus more on building and managing your store effectively. Thank you for following along today. We hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Shopify account for seamless payouts. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!